This video is what shit I'm filming right now. This video is sponsored by you. From bits of trash to making a whole wall of food, the motivation of everything that I do comes from you. So if you want to help me, then support me, and it's completely free. So shoot the subscribe button or I shoot you. Paradox. In modern era, although human beings have explored a lot on earth, but there are still some problems and mystery which cannot be resolved till date, and some of them are categorized under paradox. Whenever an event happens, it creates a particular situation, and if the situation is very unique and specific, then only a paradox occurs. But what is it? Whenever a situation or an event occurs in real world which yields two or more output, or so-called decision or solution which directly or indirectly contradict each other, further ending on an unacceptable point, solution or decision is called a paradox.
So let's, for example, at restaurant, when you are unable to decide whether you want to have milk or coke, this creates a paradox.
Sorry for the terrible joke. By the way, I choose milk. Obviously, paradox is not something like deciding between to have a burger or pizza if you love both the same. There are some interesting and serious paradox which make the paradox section of mystery wonderful. For example, grandfather paradox and ship of Zeus paradox. But these paradox involve some typical behind science and complex theories related to time travel and neuron molding physics. And it is difficult for a normal human being to perceive interesting paradox. Here is an interesting one, named as court paradox, which is explained further into the video. It has a story plot of a poor child who is living in a similar situation as you normal beings are. So let's get started. Let's imagine a small poor kid who do not have a family. He earned at night and attend school and study at day. After passing his intermediate, he decided to do law, but due to his poor financial condition, he was unable to do so. Then he thought for a friend whose father is one of the professor among degree college. Obviously, college teaches law. He talked to him about his poor condition and desires. He wanted to be an advocate and wanna be successful in his life. Friend's father, after judging his desires, decided to help him, but only problem was money and college fees. After few hours of discussion, Ramu came to a conclusion. He said, "Let me finish my degree of law and then I will be an advocate. As soon as I win my first case, I will return your fees with interest." Both professor and college agreed to this, and in order to have a certification of these words, they form an agreement. Obviously, agreement was signed by both the parties, Ramu and college. Now, Ramu is studying in a college and his dreams are becoming true. In order to bring out his living, he started a part-time job. Achieving dreams for a poor boy who do not even have a family is very difficult. Well, this is possible if you have 10% luck, 20% skill and 15% concentrated power of will. I know that's a song, I am a dumbass. Few years have been passed, his degree has been completed. He had become an advocate at last. But the company in which Ramu was working started to pay him well and offer him a full-time job. Ramu attracted by this scheme and he decided to go for the job. He left his advocate route. Professor was very happy that Ramu had now a job and he was earning, and obviously he was standing on his own feet. After Ramu's first payment, Professor asked him to give back his fees. Ramu smiled and said, "Which fees? According to the agreement, if I won the first case, then I need to return the money, else I will not." After listening to this statement, Professor was very angry and he filed a legal case against Ramu in the crime of not returning the fee.
By the way, I am a professional Call of Duty mobile player. So if anyone wants to play with me, can DM me. The handles are in the description below.
So the next scene of a court. Ramu and Professor were standing face to face. Professor tickled and said, "If I won today's case, then I will get back my fee. But if I lose today's case, this means that you won the case and according to agreement, you have to return the fee." Ramu answered this situation in a very beautiful way, but what he said was completely unacceptable. He said, If I won today's case, then I need not to pay the fee. But if I lose today's case, then according to the agreement, I again did not have to pay the fee. Now it's a kind of undigestible statement as both the parties are saying some type of truth, but both statements are contradicting each other. This is a pure situation of paradox where no science, no government, no rule, nothing can be made in order to solve this particular situation. You can rewind to back part of this same video if you want to understand it again, because it's a kind of unacceptable theory given by both Ramu and Professor. Finally, we can say that paradox are very interesting but a neuron molding theories. I have spent many hours thinking about this situation and it completely blows up my mind. Till date, I had read many paradox, but those involves very complex physics. But in today's video, we have discussed a story which is applicable to day-to-day life. And that's why we are here. So thank you for tuning in into Bear Drop Entertainment. Thank you for watching. Let's meet you into the next video. Bye bye. There are very serious but epic storylines present in the current world. These are so intense and inspiring that it can even change particular mindset in terms of thinking and deciding tautology. This channel will help you in perceiving those storylines with family-friendly streams. Currently I am studying game development, so you will also be entertained by these vlogs which I will upload after a couple of months. And as always,
thanks for watching.